This is Redfeather from Graphics. In this technology video, we will be showing some video recording tips while using Vokoscreen as the recording software. As you may have noticed, I am using version 2.50 of Vokoscreen, and I am recording in full screen mode at the moment. There are two other modes to record in, such as window mode or area, but for some reason the window mode is not working for me in this version. Most of my recordings using Vokoscreen were produced using the area mode. That works for most videos, but it does cause a zoom effect to occur, as you may have noticed. And if you are a gamer using Windows mode, or you just want to record full screen, most likely you're going to end up recording your start menu as well. Also, most likely you would prefer to record on a secondary monitor that is larger than your primary monitor. Sure enough, there are ways to solve this problem while editing the video while using Kdenlive or the editor of your choice, as per discussed on our YouTube channel at one point. But there are a couple of ways to solve this before it goes to a video editor. There are two ways this should have been solvable. The first one, for some reason, does not work in Ubuntu Unity. I will show you what I mean. In Ubuntu Unity 18.04, go to Settings, click on Display, click the drop-down menu for launcher placement. Now take notice, as I toggle between my primary and secondary monitor, for some reason there is no difference. It is not allowing me to have the primary as the only launcher. And the second way is to click on Settings, click on Appearance, then click on Behavior. See where it says Auto Hide Launcher? Go to the right and turn it on. Now notice, once I do this, the start menu hides. Not just on one monitor, but on both. Notice once I hover my mouse near the start menu, it then comes out of hiding. Here is the game being recorded in area mode. Now we will start recording in full screen. Notice the start menu, so let's remove them. Here is a document being recorded in area, then in full screen. Once in full screen mode, notice the start menu. I hope you have enjoyed this video and found it helpful in some fashion. And if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not? I'm saying why not become a subscriber? After all, it is free. The intro and extro of this video has been provided by none other than Alex of AU1 from his YouTube channel. Thank you in advance. I am out.